Corn and soybeans under pressure at the end of last week. Ag Day's Michelle Rook is back with a host of things analysts will be watching this week in Markets Now.
Well, ag markets were mostly lower on Friday, except for the cattle market. Brian Doherty is back with analysis. And Brian, many markets did react negatively to possible tariffs on Mexico and Canada. This is kind of the volatility and uncertainty we're going to have in the markets for a while, don't you think?
It certainly is. And I think last week we saw just an example of how the markets will move quickly, trying to not only understand it, but interpret it and then see how other countries react to it and then how the trade reacts to it. So expect volatility to remain high. Expect that you're going to see a lot of movement here. Just on a side note, you've had a really nice rally in the corn market here this late fall and winter so far, and one that provides opportunity. So, kind of strap on the seatbelt for the volatility with the tariff news, but there's also weather news, other things going on. So I'd be a little bit more inclined to concentrate on strategy. It's going to be hard to outguess what the government's thinking, what other governments are thinking, and what the weather's doing in South America.
So, Brian, risk management for producers, whatever commodity, is going to be more important than ever, isn't it?
Well, it is. And so it's really incumbent upon the producer to not get complacent at this point. We've had a really good rally in some of these markets. And so it's easy to get complacent. What I would strive for and continue to coach is balanced approach. How do we shift where's the major risk and how do we shift? Yet how do we participate? So, take some minutes, take some time, talk to your advisor, look at your tools. Now is the time to open up that toolbox. Don't try and outguess things too much. Try and emphasize the strategic approach and how to manage whichever way the market goes, up or down.
And Brian, we did get the cattle inventory report out at 2:00 on Friday, and really it was as expected, maybe even a little bit bullish.
Yeah, it confirmed, I think, what all of us had been thinking, that the herd is not building. All cattle and calves, 86.7 million head. That's down 0.5% from last year. And then there just weren't any big surprises there. Beef down 1%, replacement heifers down 1%.
All right, thanks so much, Brian Doherty with Total Farm Marketing. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.
To discuss marketing strategies, call 800-334-9779.